Rolling? One more. This is my radius buck. Yeah, well, I'm retiring it. It's done its job. I may use it again later on another project, but for this, it's done. Check this out. This is the board that we glued up on this buck. So this rounded front of this thing, which really creates a dramatic and powerful presence for this bed. I designed this whole bed, and I told you before, it's been really hard for me because I've had writer's block. I did intend to have this walnut detail up above here so you can see that.
I really like the design of the bed. I think it's coming together very well.
It's a little too late for coffee and it's a little too early for whiskey. Beautiful. Look at that. This is the back fly stroke. Helps to set the mood. Take that shit up. All right. That's going to be part of the headboard.
Excited to see what it looks like when we put it all the way together.
In here, I'm going to create some custom panels. My idea, what I want to do is I want to use leather and I want to use barnwood. Each leather piece is different as it moves around the cow. Why don't we do something entirely new? Why don't we do something we've never done before? The clock will slowly tick down and we will be under extreme pressure to do something never done before. So my t-shirt says it all. Not Western enough. What I want to do is I want to create a Western feel now. I've got a hide. This stuff I actually bought for my cowboy Corvette. Leather framework around the barnwood panels and bring in that Western flair. I don't know what I know. I don't know what I don't know. I had an idea and I had a thought and I had something. That's looking beautiful. I started cutting wood and started making parts without a full holistic vision. I'm gonna try a little experiment to dress these up. It's a big difference. There were so many complex variables in the construction that I'd never done before. And that sounds funny. I've been doing this for 30 years. But this bed, there are a number of things on here I have never done before. This was meant to be for a 16-foot straight curtain, and I got to turn it 90 degrees back there, and I got to come and swing around here on the arch. This was a freaking pain in the butt. I would do this totally different next time. This really, really consumed a ton of hours. When I took all this time and I worked on all this, I beat up the track, so now it looks terrible. So now I have to sand and paint all the track as well. Stop pumping.
Well, I'm done.
We're gonna get this to work, Will.
I sure hope so. I put a lot of time and effort into it.
This is a neat, expensive little machine. It was meant to work with a track that was 16 feet long straight. It doesn't look like it's 16 hours worth of work.
Roughly 1-2 million curse words.
How many cuss words?
1 or 2 million of each.
Yeah. The motor's not strong enough to drive the hanger, the truck around here. I'm deciding whether I'm going to abandon this. It's a tough pill to swallow. Alexa, time for this to work. I'm just adding a lot of extra time by going, hey, I think we should have this cool curtain effect going on. I think we should make our own custom brackets. I think I should do all this work on the CNC and do curves and rounds. But when you're under a time constraint, maybe it's not great to add all of those, but I did. Those little tiny wheels should be able to go around there. I gotta make every single one of those cut joints perfect. And I feel like if I make everyone perfect, the wheels will go around there.
So I love your stash it away idea, but it does not, then it won't make the corner. It won't make the corner.
So we can't store the curtain back here?
It doesn't
Because
appear.
I can't make that tight curve.
It doesn't appear so. No.
Then why the heck do I have all that back there? You see how this is designed and it's got all this extra overhang back
No,
here.
I totally love your stash the curtain away idea, but
45-degree turn is killing me.
Yeah.
It's killing me. That's the reason I had to abandon the power, the motorized drive. And now we're saying we got to store the curtain. If there's no curtain back there, it doesn't make any sense. It's just stupid.
Okay.
Design the whole bed so that this piece of junk.
I know, it sucks.
All right.
All right, let's see. We'll try and make it work.
Okay. Power just went out. Left me wondering, am I going to get it done in time and what's it going to look like?